Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to repost on Threads app. It's very easy. Now if you want to do that, the first step you have to take guys is to open your Threads app, log into your account, and then you're going to see all these posts right there. So people are already on Threads. So if you come across any post you would like to repost, all you have to do guys is to just look at the bottom of the post. You're going to find the four options right there. The first one is like, the second one is comment, and then the third one is repost. So if you want to repost it, just go ahead and tap on the repost icon and you get the repost option right there. So go ahead and tap on the repost and then they should be reposted. All right, so if you head to your Threads profile, you're gonna find the repost right there. Right, so guys, this is how you can actually post on Threads app. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.